Hey everybody, it's Miss Vic. So let's turn off the electric water heater. So go to your breaker box, find that water heater, and flip the switch to off. Now, this is my water heater, and it has two panels at the bottom, and then there's one at the top, which we will adjust the settings in both. So unscrew the panel with the flathead screwdriver, and this is going to take me a minute because I'm not using an electric or battery operated screwdriver or drill. So there, once you open that panel, you will be able to see all this filling and cotton and cushion that covers the wiring and this thermostat. So just lift all that up and you will be able to see a temperature setting. What I have done is basically used my Phillips head screwdriver to adjust that temperature setting. So making sure I can get to it, I took that cotton out. And this is where it shows the adjustment. So let's get up to the top part. And you have to take off the panel, unscrew it, just like you did at the bottom. And then pull back the wiring, take out the cushion, and you will be able to see the thermostat setting. And I am adjusting that with my screwdriver. Why can't we see that? I just skipped over that, but I just made the adjustment. Just whatever you set for the bottom, set it for the top as well. And then you will be in business. So I put everything back and I'm going over to my breaker box to turn the water heater back on. If I can flip that switch. There we go. It's back on.
Good.